Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on a laptop. So first of all you have to do is go to Google search engine. Once the Google has loaded, you have to type in download WhatsApp. Click on the top search results. WhatsApp website will open. All you have to do is click on the download button on the top right corner. WhatsApp installer will be installed on your computer. Click on show in folder, double click to install the WhatsApp. Once the WhatsApp application has been installed on your laptop, all you have to do is search WhatsApp on your Windows search. Hit enter and click on get started. Now you have to scan this QR code with your phone to log in to your WhatsApp account. Once I scanned the QR code, my WhatsApp has been logged in. Now this is the first account of the WhatsApp. Now if you want to use another account on your PC, all you have to do is open your web browser, open a new tab and type web.whatsapp.com. Now this window will appear. Now you have to open the second account on your phone and click on link devices and scan the QR code which is shown on your screen. Once you have scanned the QR code, now you have two accounts in your PC. The one account is in your browser and the second account is on the application that you have just downloaded. And that's how you can use two WhatsApp accounts on laptop. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.